One of the most common weather-related claims that we see in the Hudson Valley is buildup of ice dams on roofs. That's a process whereby the snow on the roof melts and refreezes and gets into the eaves and soffits and causes water damage inside the house. And it can build up over time, and it can really cause some serious issues. So we recommend that, one, you're cleaning your gutters to make sure that the water is routed in the right direction when it does melt, and that you're paying attention to any dry rot or anything that's signs that the water's not draining properly. One of the other things that you can do to help prevent ice dams from forming is be mindful of taking care of the snow on the roof. So they make roof rakes that you can pull off the snow, and that'll help prevent that freeze and thaw from happening that causes those ice dams in the first place. One of the common questions that we get is around flood damage, and am I covered for flood damage? What is a flood? And so these are really common questions. So typically an unendorsed home policy does not provide coverage for floods, but that begs the question, what is a flood? So a flood is any external rain that basically comes into the house. And so if a pipe bursts in your ceiling and causes a bunch of damage, that is not considered a flood, and that would be covered under a typical homeowner's policy. Similarly, if there is a backup of sewers and drains, that is typically provided through what is known as water backup coverage. So that similarly would not be considered a flood, but you would need separate coverage to provide that type of coverage in a claims event. So if you think you're in a flood-prone area, we would recommend reaching out. These policies are typically inexpensive to obtain, and MetzWood has access to both the NFIP, which is the National Flood Insurance Program, which is the government program for flood insurance, and also private flood insurance options. So we have a variety of ways that we can help.